Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete a server in the Discord application really quickly. So let us get started. In the first step, launch Discord, be it on your PC or laptop. Access the server you would like to delete. And for obvious reasons, guys, you will need to be the admin to delete the given server, which makes sense if you think about it. So what you want to do is access your server here on the left-hand side and right-click on it or on its icon and select server settings, and here in that following drop-down menu select overview, and inside your server settings here on the left hand side you will see that panel, and scroll down till you get to this feature here, delete server, with that trash icon. So what you want to do is click on it, confirm by entering the correct server name here and by clicking on delete server there, and that is going to delete your server instantaneously, guys. So make sure that you're 100% convinced and sure to do this before you proceed. And that's basically it, guys. That's how we do it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.